Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about this wave formers. On my previous video, I've actually used the Silk Heatless Curler and I've actually fell in love with it and I've used it a couple of times after my review. So now I'm going to use this heatless waver. They're so cute. They look like noodles. I've been seeing this on YouTube. The big difference between the two is the curling ribbon or the curling silk gives you that big waves or big curls, and this one gives you that kind of Beyonce waves. And usually I would see that hairstyle using a crimper waver, but with this we're not going to use any heat, so I'm very curious how this works. So I'm just going to follow what I've used on my previous video. So I'm going to wet my hair, put this primer, and also the John Frieda Freeze Ease to remove any frizz on my hair. So that's what we're gonna do today, and hopefully it will give me as good of a result as the last time when I used a heatless curler. So let's start. So I don't have damp hair anymore. I just washed it a few hours ago, but it's totally dry now, and this is how my hair looks like. It has a little wave because I actually put it in a low bun a while ago. So I'm going to spray it with water first. I'm going to make sure that every layer is damp first. So now that my hair is damp, I'm going to put this Living Proof Prime Style Extender. With this one, it really extends like the style. So when you put this on and then you blow dry your hair and then you curl your hair, like the curls would really stay until the next day. So we're just gonna make sure that the ends have this product and not just the front. And I've combed my hair a while ago, so there's no tangles there. I'm also going to use the John Frieda Freeze Ease Weightless Wonder Smoothing Cream, and I'm going to concentrate this actually all over because I don't want any frizzes on like the waves. But I'm going to make sure that usually like the front hairs has it, and then the ends too. And with the heatless curler that I've used before, I parted my hair in the middle, but I kind of wanted to part my hair on the side this time. So like the waves will be like that. I'm just gonna part my hair like deeper than what I used to. Maybe I should start from the bottom because I know it's gonna weigh my hair. They're not too heavy. I think if I start at the front, then it's harder for me to reach the other ones because this is already dangling. So let's start at the bottom. I'm gonna put this part away. And they say to section your hair with small sections. So maybe half an inch instead of my usual inch. So it comes with a hook. It's really long. And I actually got, I think this is the longest waver. I think they also have different lengths. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this hook stick inside the waver. And then you're gonna grab the hair and then insert the hair on the hook. You're gonna push this opening a bit so it opens wider, and then you're gonna pull it. And there you go. First wave done. So if you pull the hair, pull it this way too. So like the waves will be like that. Because if you pull it from this side, then it might twist. So wherever your hair is, just wave it there. Don't move it sideways, just move it where it is. I don't think they have different design or waves. I think they're all different, like the colors are different, but I think the waveforms are all the same. So I'm just going to randomly pick a color and just wave my hair. I want the hook closer to my roots because I don't want any gap there. And again, I'm just gonna pull where my hair is. It's actually hurting my hand. Yeah. That's my only complaint is that you're gonna have a arm exercise with this one. Well, that's not going to go too well. So I'm just going to put this away so I can concentrate on the other side. You just have to make sure that your hair is really inside the hook. I think I'm gonna need a lot of form waivers. Now that I'm getting into my layers, I find that it's harder. So this part is done. Oh my god, I missed some, but I think I'm just gonna let it go. I have to part this side a little thicker because I only have this amount of wavers. I might have to go thicker at the bottom because I don't have a lot of wavers anymore. So we'll see. The most important thing is you press the mouth or the ends of the tube, because if not, it sometimes would not grip all the hair. If you press the opening, it would quickly grab it. Okay, I think I'm running out of rollers, so I'm gonna start the front section and leave the middle part behind, just to make sure that I have waves there. So at least like the front parts have waves. We're almost there. Just actually, I still have 3 wavers, so it actually fits. One, I'm gonna partition this into 3, like that. I was so scared of gonna not have any waves on my front. Okay, yay! Okay, this is so cute. I think my daughter would be super happy to see me with these wavers. Although I missed some of the hair here, I feel like I need to do this. I'm gonna fix some. Whoa, it's already wavy! Do you see that? That's crazy. I think I don't even have to wait for too long. I think I'm just gonna wait for 2 hours. Like, can you see when I remove one strand, it's already wavy. So I'm just going to leave this for 2 to 3 hours and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm back and it's been 2.5 hours. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. It's really wavy. Oh my god, I am so excited for the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna pull everything out. And like there's no tugging. I like how like really smooth this material is. What is this, nylon? Oh my god, they're so cute. Yeah, you can even pull like 2 at a time. Doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna pull this off too. Okay, let's pull it all together. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Although my bang part is like giving me some character. Oh my god, my hair feels so soft. You know those people with natural curls and then you touch their hair and it's very soft? That's how it feels now. The thing is, if you have layers, it might look kind of weird because it's flat at the ends. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum. For me, it acts kind of like a hair oil, although it doesn't have any frizz. If you don't put oil, it just looks drier. So adding this gives it that kind of like a wet look curl. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it only took me 2.5 hours, maybe not even 3. This is a really cool tool. If you want to do this kind of hairstyle and you don't want to apply any heat on your hair, I think that this tool is really amazing. So cute. I love the look of it. It's what I was aiming for and I can't believe it was achieved by just stranding my hair on the nylon tube. So this is how it looks like. Let me just style it a bit. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this review of this wave formers, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.